Gentlemen, happy Festivus and Merry New Beer. Carefuling. You never know what's under all this white powder. Normally, the twins take care of shit what's frozen cock stiff handily. If you know what I'm saying. May and June. Unfortunately, I ain't gonna get there. We gotta put the chains on yon tractor to get rid of some snow. June comes after. She's hot as fuck. Scorches my gourds. I got a treat especial. Santa Claus slid a little something extra down my stovepipe. Check this out from Nassau. I've only bought a couple 500,000 of these in my lifetime. TSA. I'm sure their auction site keeping them busy. They get confiscated every time I go in the airplane. These Leathermans. Look at this. Sign of a wild dewclaw. You got a little dewclaw in you, man? No? Would you like some? Normally, what for putting chains on, you need a marlin spike or a heel bar, hammer, chisel, grinder, bolt cutters. In this case, we have Leatherman pliers. Well, we'll give her a proper what for, how to, and hot supper. We'll have to input the official John Deere tire chain license authorization. Hello, tractor. Dewclaw! That's the right way. 50-50-90. You got a 50-50 chance that 90% of the time it's wrong. What the fuck? That's the right chain. Here he had a frozen chain, busted fingers, snow up his crack. Here he was a miserable sort because he knows it snows. Is this even the right chain, motherfucker? I'd rather, going the wrong fucking way. That's a boring white guy field chant. It's part of my cultural heritage. Here on the frozen ice ball of Hoth. Remember, Luke, always keep your tauntaun warm. Unfortunately, with this model of tauntaun, you gotta buy the proper license. They'd rather let you freeze to death. There we go. First time tight. Second time all right. You fucking piece of fucking shit. Stickkalist. Saint-Hubert. Sapristi. I don't know why chains keep getting harder and harder when they should be getting easier and easier. But starting to feel like that Giuseppe Biden fella trying to remember what year it is. And demonetized. It ain't so bad. Got electric lights. Warm in the shop. Could be worse. Could be one of them tree huggers trying to get off the mountain. Just the one differential left. Logging truck drivers. That's a special breed. Jesus Christ. Stove up by the time they're 60. Save some pussy for the rest of us. Hello, tractor. As I say, it could be much, much worse. You're putting chains on the side of the Coquihalla, piss jugs flying at your head. You ever find yourself under a greasy whore? The HMS Rusty Guts, contemplating the nature of the universe, whether or not there's a hell. Put some tire chains on. I'll answer that question quick, fast, and hurry. How about intelligent design? Being post-turkey season. Intelligent design, my arse. Ever take a wet wipe after the holidays? Give your onion sack a scraping. Jesus Christ, it's like beef stew. What kind of a fucking degenerate puts corn in beef stew? Alright, you don't like me, and I don't like me either. Maybe these will help orient. That's the thing with these, they always get fucking twisted up. Jaws don't line up after that. So close. Not so tough now, are you? Fucker. Remember seeing that single-use tool, what you get in the bag of new chains? You never see again until 15 years later. Rusting away in the bottom of a bucket of bolts. Nah. Maybe not. What else we can use on there? Oh, so that's one of the problems with these, is you can't open them up, huh? Like that, because it's just loosey-goosey on the pin. Tools, what do everything, are no fucking good at everything. Take a different tact here. Looks like there's a file. Oh, that might do it. What was that? I lost something. Come plumb out of her. And this is just the first one, mind. There we go. Found her. Look. It's a tool for putting a fuck right in your whole week. Sensi buoda. Fufun. Goti puri. Especially fucking Mogul. Oh. Not even the French cursing worked on that one. Gadonzo, sali, plot sali. Focus, you fuck. Huh? I might just be the cock for Dolly. Holy. Fucking high-tech redneck. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Before we kick that little green piece of deer turd out of here, my wife's garden tractor. Nothing smells like a John. I like that little thing, actually, truth be known. And the yellow matches my eyes. We're going to have a look at this, see what kind of accoutrements it comes with. Kind of have a look, see what's going to bust. Don, now your spelunking light. I'm not much one for licking a gift horror in the hoo-ha, but this come by way of Tom Sachs. Now, Leatherman is not busting down my door to make a skookum as fuck version, but it's pretty damn cool that they let a New York City scumbag make one of these. Full disclosure, he sent this as a gift. So there is a soft spot in my heart for these. However, if the TSA at the airport don't get them, I always wore out these needle nose, and you can see they're about 40, 50 thou off millimeter and a blonde one. already cattywampus just from that small little job. I like this because you invariably use these for the wrong purpose, nefarious purpose, and you mantangulate the side cutter jaws. So those are replaceable, but that comes with a caveat. Because they're replaceable, it means they can also fall out. And you go to use this, and there it is. Gone. You know it. Oh, we'll pop those out and maybe put a little Loctite on there. Or maybe there's already some Loctite on there. If only there was a Torx bit around. Maybe on here. Oh, no. There's a Phillips number 2 and a flathead. Set of a diddling thing. You know what would be nice? Is if they had a Torx on there, what was actually useful. Flathead. There's already a flathead on here. So it's kind of Department of Redundancy department. There's the can opener. I'm not much of one for surprises. I like to know what's going to give me the gift of summer teeth. Some are here, some are there. We'll just see what that locking mechanism is like. Fair dinkum. A little bit of slop there. But solid. And that's quite a fancy one. I don't recall they've changed this in the past decade because I don't recall them being like that. One thing I will lose right off the hop, of course, is the Marlin spike. Not to worry though, you'll find it in your tire. Also, you can pull this off, and this is some sort of doodad. Not quite sure. I guess you could put some keys on here or something, and then I'm not quite sure. Anyway, quick release. I guess you could hang it on a pegboard. That's got a custom made. Oh, very nice. Not plastic, but a custom made ceramic button. You could use that for sharpening whatever you need it to. Got a flat blade screwdriver, flat on the one and tapered on the other. Give you a good fox wedge for driving between castings to break them right half in two. Comes with a pin as well for picking locks and getting kids out of bathrooms, what they lock themselves into. Also has, pardon me, COVID, a small teeny tiny screwdriver, which is beautiful for those teeny tiny screws. You never find that when you want it. Got some CISO, little CISO. I would prefer to see some big CISO, but little ones will do better than nothing. And there's something else in there. I don't know what that does. Something. Oh, that's the spring. Pretty skookum spring. That's got to be open. Got a scale here for measurements. Check the locking mechanism once again. Fair dinkum. Got a nice dual affixed 2 fasteners, Torx for the belt loop, the pocket for the blade skis. A hut knife never rusts. We have the wood saw, marginally useful. I'm not much of one for having 4 different blades. One good blade will do you just fine. Here's the serrated knife for cutting rope and that tough German bread. Here's a proper blade. Nice sharp tip. Nice grind on her. Sharp as fuck. Tom Sorks SV30. Son of a bitch. Focus you. Tom Sorks. SV30. Serial number 14 of 100. Wow. That's pretty cool. Rarefied air up here. SV30 or S30V crucible powdered steel, real fine grain structure, tough on the Sharpie impact test. You see, it has been used. Horror of horrors. Got a couple chunguses out of it, but nothing a whetstone can't handle. There's nothing sadder than a Safe Queen knife. You know what I'm saying? Normally you buy this thing. I don't think you could probably buy them. I think they're gifts, strictly. What would you call that? Aspirational consumption. Something like that, anyway. And of course, we got the flat bastard. Oh, the flat bastard. Got a bit of a factory wow to her. And there goes the tire finder. Also on the backside, diamond impregnated diamond. Again, with the factory wow to her. I like how it's serrated on this short edge too. You can get a nice sharp square with that. And then not on that. Oh, that's very well thought out. That's pretty fucking cool, man. You don't get too many things made in the US and you don't get too many things made by an acquaintance. Gifted to you. I'll use the shit out of that. I'll send it back for warranty. So thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice.